third stage of the oil recovery, also known as the enhanced oil recovery, EOR. In this study, we utilize nanotechnology to improve the efficiency of the EOR phase to maximize the hydrocarbon reserves. Oil recovery can be divided into three stages: the primary recovery, the secondary recovery, and the EOR. In the primary recovery, it is just directly extracting the oil from the underground, and due to the high viscosity of the oil, a significant protein remains trapped in the reservoirs. So we do the secondary recovery. Workers employ the water from flooding or the gas injection to recover the more oil, but this method typically achieves only 30 to 40% of recovery efficiency. Therefore, to extract the remaining oil, we proceed to the third stage of recovery, the EOR. EOR targets the residual oil that is too viscous or trapped in the fractures, which is challenging to extract. We employ the various methods, and the mechanisms are generally illustrated on this page, as you can see here. And the traditional EOR principle and the techniques that we use is thermal recovery, chemical flooding, and gas injection. However, these methods are often limited by the environmental factors and are tailored to specific conditions. Additionally, they are consuming massive natural resource. This means that they are not environmental friendly, and they are failed to significantly enhance the recovery rates. So, to overcome this limitation, we explore the application of nanotechnology in EOR. According to the literature, and the nanoparticles can modify the interaction between the oil and the rock, achieving the principle you can see here is alerting rock surface properties and IFT and so on. And the nanotechnology is better suited for the complex reverse condition. This means it could fight different conditions. They don't need specific condition. As for the experiments, the nanoparticles that we stack are here. And the methodology that we use is co-flooding, and this is the machine. And you can regard it as a small stone tub filled with oil, into which a special liquid containing the nanoparticles is injected to see how much oil stuck inside it can flush out. As for the measurement that we use is SEM, XRD, and NMR. We use SEM to examine the changes in rock surface morphology, and use the XRD to study the interaction between the nanoparticles and the rocks. And we use the NMR to visualize the oil follows dynamic within the rock. And in the end, compared to the traditional EOR, we found that EOR with nanotechnology can reach the efficiency about 5 to 50%. Yeah.